We are doing a Pilates flow today that's going to move fast and it's going to work every part of your body. You're going to start standing at the back of your mat. Have your feet hip distance apart. Inhale. Exhale, tuck your chin, and you're going to roll yourself down one vertebrae at a time. Hands touch the ground. We're going to walk out to a plank. So it's 1, 2, 3. We're going to do a Pilates push-up. Elbows into your sides, down, up. You can go to your knees at any time if you need to. Nice. Walk your hands back. 1, 2, 3. Roll back up. We're going to do it again. Really typical warm up here from a Pilates class. Roll yourself down. Walk out. 1, 2, 3. And I know it's harder than a warm up feels sometimes, but we're working arms, we're working abs, and we're getting your blood moving. Walk back. 1, 2, 3. Roll yourself up. One more time. Tuck your chin. Roll down. Walk your hands out. 1, 2, 3. Elbows into your sides for 1, 2, 3. Nice job. Keep your plank. Right foot points. You're going to lift, lower, lift, lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side, point, lift. So it's called leg pull. Try to keep your hips nice and steady. And 2, 1. Nice job. Slowly lower down onto your belly. Reach your arms forward, legs back. Lift. Head, chest, arms, legs. We're going to swim. So alternate pumping your arms and your legs. And breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Hands come down, legs come down. Press up for a stretch and press yourself up and back. And then roll yourself up into a high kneel. And we're going to turn sideways. I'm going to bring my left arm out. My right hand comes behind my head. And I'm going to tilt over to the left until I'm here balancing on my hand. So your hand is in line with your knee. Press your hips forward. Reach your right leg out. Lower, lift, lower, lift. Keep pressing your hips forward. 4, 3, you got it. 2, 1. Keep the leg lifted. Flex the foot. Bring it forward. Point back. Flex forward. Point back. So everything should be working right about now, right? Catch your breath. Follow the rhythm. Nice job. Bend the knee. Come up and just have fun with it. Don't worry if you get a little lost. Just jump back in. Okay, down. Press the hips forward. Reach the leg long. We're going to lower, lift, lower, lift. This is just meant to show you what a little more advanced class sometimes can look like. And lift, stay here. Flex your foot. Forward, point back. And remember, I always have so many options for beginner and intermediate, and you can modify and change anything you need, okay? 3, 2, 1. Just never let yourself get discouraged. Come up, hands down. You're going to sit and swing your legs around in front of you. Bring the legs together. Arms come up, inhale. Exhale, curl, roll yourself down until your elbows come down onto the ground, okay? You're going to bend your knees. Reach them into a V position here. So we're working into teaser. Reach your right arm forward, back. Left arm, back. So keep that belly pulled in. Try to relax your neck. Nice job. Stay on your elbows for hip twist. Lower the legs down to the right. Lift them up to the left. Switch. Lower to the left. Lift to the right. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Nice job. One more each side. So lower right, lift to the left, drawing these big circles. Nice job. Lower down, hug your knees in. Roll up to a crunch, keep the right leg in, reach the left leg out so that it's floating, and we're gonna switch legs. Switch. You got it. Try to keep head and chest lifted. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands behind your head. Legs keep going, but you're gonna twist, center, twist, center. So you're really trying to lift shoulder off as you rotate. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull it in, lower down. Nice job. We're gonna bring our feet down. Find yourself on the mat if you have moved off like I did. Feet are down, hip distance apart. Inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone, roll yourself up. Inhale at the top. Exhale, roll back down. We're just gonna reorganize here for a moment till we go into a little bridge sequence. So roll up, stay here. Now, if you want some support, bring your hands behind your hips. Otherwise, hands stay down. Right leg lifts up. I want you to lower and lift. So you point when you lower, flex, lift. Last 2. Bend, lower, other side. Point, flex, point, flex for 4, 3, you got it. 2, 1, bend, foot comes down, curl, and roll yourself back down. Nice job. All right, legs come to tabletop, arms come back. Inhale, exhale, tuck your chin, roll up, reach the legs out, and you're trying to reach fingertips towards your toes, then lower back down, legs come in. So that's teaser version 1. You can stay there or go to full teaser, which is legs straight. So inhale, exhale, everything lifts. Take your time, open your chest, inhale, exhale. When you roll down, your fingers and your toes stay at the same level the whole time. See that? Until I get down and my arms reach back. Maybe now at the top, you can lift your arms, lower, everything comes down. One more time. Nice job. Lift, lower, and roll back down. Arms reach back, roll onto your left side. Do you feel how hard I'm breathing? I'm working with you here. Reach the bottom arms straight. I want your whole body in one straight line. The top leg is at hip height. Lift the bottom one up to meet it. Lower, lift, lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs, lower, lift, lower, lift. Last one. Nice job. Keep them here and little flutters or scissor kicks for 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bend your knees. Press yourself up. Find a side stretch and lay down on your right side. Swing the legs around. Lay down nice and straight and flat. The top leg lifts to hip height. Bottom leg's gonna lift, lower, lift, lower. Really squeeze the inner thighs together. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep them together to lower and lift. Feel like you're pressing the top leg up with the bottom leg. Last one. Lift, stay here. Little swims or little flutter kicks for 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bend, press, up, and over. Swing your legs around in front. Have your feet mat distance apart. Arms reach in front. We're gonna exhale forward for 1, 2, 3, restack. So it's exhale, 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 inhale. Feel like you get taller every time. One more. Restack. Arms reach up. Exhale, arms come down at your sides. One more time. Nice job. So you are warmed up now and ready for anything the day brings. I'll see you soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.